Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your side hustle with Square, full guide step by step clearly. To protect your side hustle with Square, start by creating a Square account. Visit the Square website and click the Get Started button. Enter your email address and choose a secure password. Fill in your business information, including the name and type of your side hustle. Next, verify your email address to activate your account. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the Square dashboard. Go to the settings to set up payment options. Choose the payment methods you want to accept, such as credit cards or digital wallets. Enable fraud detection features to protect against unauthorized transactions. Set up your tax settings to ensure compliance and accuracy. Next, consider purchasing Square's point-of-sale hardware. This can help streamline transactions and improve customer experiences. Maintain clear financial records by syncing Square with your bookkeeping software. Regularly monitor your sales and transaction reports. Use this data to identify patterns and areas for improvement. Consider enabling two-factor authentication for added security. Regularly update your password to keep your account secure. Stay informed about Square's updates and new features. Participate in Square's online community for tips and support. Keep your customer data safe by following best practices for data protection. Educate yourself on local regulations affecting your business. Make sure to review and update your privacy policy regularly. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to protecting your side hustle with Square. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.